Birthday Leela Party, giving all my love to you at the moment. And since we've asked to speak about you, I would like to share one story. And I think this was just a few months back that I had come back from school, and as usual I was tired, and I think there was a physical education period in that school in that day. So I was really tired. I had come, I had freshened up, and I was really hungry because I think that was the last period of the day, and I wanted something really a sumptuous meal. And I just went into the kitchen. I didn't expect a lot, but since you had come that day, you had given me a sumptuous meal of capsicum rice and tomato rice, which I think from your hands is made beautifully. And that is one memory, because from childhood you have always given me that, and it somehow feels really nice to have that, especially if it's made from your hands. And this is one thing I want to tell you today. I've made no difference between you and Namam, especially because you have treated me like your own grandson. You hug me, kiss me, you scold me. It really doesn't matter, because my own grandmother does that to me. So many happy returns of the day, and giving all my love to you.
Happy birthday, Leela Party. Love you, Lords. Mwah. So I'm giving you a small song dedicated from my side. जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वं च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं. Love you, Party.
Hello Leela Mami. I want to wish you a very happy 75th. Rupa asked me to record this video to convey best wishes to you. I just want to say keep smiling. That's the one thing I will always remember about you, being very positive and keep smiling all the time. So wish you many more smiles and a wonderful day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. We wish you a wonderful day today. And the fond memory that I have is when we came to Cincinnati. I think it was for Priyanka's graduation. And at the end of it, we drove to Columbus. And you had cooked us a wonderful meal. I remember it was delicious, a home-cooked meal. And also when you came to California, we had a wonderful time with you and Mama when we went to visit all the wineries. And yeah, we had a wonderful time. And hope to see you soon. Stay safe during this time with COVID-19. And wish you again a very happy birthday. Lots of love from all of us here. See you soon.
Happy birthday, dear Leelaka. Sending you smiles for every moment of your special day, your 75th birthday. May happiness, love and good health be your companions throughout this journey. Best wishes now and always. Very happy birthday. Bye.
Happy 75th birthday, Leela Mami. Wishing you a wonderful day. Have a great year and many more healthy years to come.
Happy 75th birthday, Leela Mani. I hope this special day brings you a lot of joy and happiness. Wishing you good health and abound happiness for many more years to come. Stay safe.
Happy birthday. Have a great 75th birthday. Auntie, I want to share a few memories of West Manikpalli. I just can't forget the stay in your house all the time. I used to be hanging around in your house, Auntie. I and Rupa have been friends for last 35 years and will be always. And I just miss those tiffins, what you used to make, and I can just never forget the taste also, and the coffee. and so many you were like friends, like we were all like friends, auntie. You were also so contributing like a friend to us, and it is great, auntie, that I'm not able to forget those days at all.
Wish you a very happy 75th birthday, mommy. You know, we have great memories together for so many years, and hanging out at your place was one of the best, especially your cooking skills. How can I forget all the wonderful food you've cooked for us? And Amma and you having those heartfelt conversations was very great to watch, and I know she has a special place in her heart for you. Have a healthy, happy birthday and many more happy birthdays ahead. Take care.
Hi Leela, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God be with you and keep you safe as He's always been doing. May you still live further for many more years to come. You have always been a good sister to me and not a sister-in-law. Bye.
Dear Leela, happy birthday. Many more returns of the day. Many more healthy returns of the day. எப்படி இருக்கா இவங்க? நல்லா இருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ தான் என்னோட பர்த்டே கழிஞ்சது, அதுக்கடுத்து உன்னோடதும் வந்தாச்சு. உன்னோட லக்ஷ்மியோட அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தால நான் ஸோ ஹாப்பி, எப்படி ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்னு தெரியுமா? கல்யாணம் கழிஞ்சதுலேருந்து உங்களை 2 பேரும் அப்படி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். என்னோட ஓன் சிஸ்டர் போல் தான் நீங்கள் 2 பேரும். எனக்கு அவ்வளோ தூரம் அட்டாச்சு நம்ம இருந்துட்டுருக்கோம். இந்த பாம்பேயில் இருந்த காலத்தில் நம்ம இல்லாமல் எത്ര என்ஜாய் ചെയ്തിരിക്കും നമ്മളെല്ലാം. இந்த வீக்கெண்டில் ஓரோ இடத்துக்கு ஹோட்டலுக்கு போகிறதும் ஓரோ இடத்துக்கு போகிறதும் ரொம்பவே மறக்க முடியாத நாட்கள் அதெல்லாமே இருந்தது. இப்போ கூட நான் அதெல்லாம் நினச்சிப்பேன். அது இப்போ இந்த பர்த்டே வீடியோஸை பார்த்தப்பனே அது இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கூட ஜாஸ்தியாக எடுத்தோ தோணுது. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நாள் கூட அப்படி எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து இருந்திருக்கணுமா இருந்து தோணுது இப்போது. எனிவே, பி ஹாப்பி அண்ட் ஹெல்த்தி. நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. ஹரி எப்படி இருக்காரு, ஹரியோட ஹெல்த் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குது, 2 பேரும் பார்த்துருங்கோ. ஓகே, பார்க்குறோம். നമുക്ക് അപ്പോൾ ഇനി എപ്പോൾ വിളിച്ചിരിക്കോ അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പാർക്കണം എന്നുള്ള ആശ ഇരുന്നാലും ഡെഫിനറ്റാக നമ്മൾ പാർപ്പോം അത്. ഓക്കേവാ, ടേക്ക് കെയർ ഓഫ് യു. താങ്ക് യു. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.
ஹலோ சித்தி, ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. மினிமம் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ். நீங்களும் ஹெல்த்தியாக நல்லா சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும். நீங்களும் சித்தப்பாவும் லவ்விங் கப்பல், நிறைய வருடங்கள் நல்லா சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும். டாட்டர் அண்ட் சன் அண்ட் கிராண்ட் சில்ட்ரன் எல்லாரோடும் சேர்ந்து ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும், ஹெல்த்தியாக இருக்கணும். வி ஆர் ஆல்சோ பிளஸ்ட் டு பி வித் யூ. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. காட் பிளஸ் யூ. தேங்க்யூ சித்தி.
Hi Leela ka, wish you very happy birthday. Love you so much. You are one of the most wonderful and affectionate akkas and has always been around for everybody when they have something. You have been there for every function, any important function or milestone in this family. You have been there and you have brought up your kids to also be there always for everyone. And Rupa is always there, keeping in touch with the entire family, and she's got that completely from you. Love you so much Akka, and wish you many more lovely birthdays like this. Happy 75th birthday Akka. Love you.
Hi mommy, wish you a very happy birthday. This is indeed a great milestone mommy. Wishing you all the happiness and good health always from all of us. In fact, the time spent with you have always been special, mommy. I would say Hyderabad has been my second home. You have always been very special to me. Many happy returns from all of us. Lots of love. Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon. Bye, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy. Hope you have a healthy, peaceful and a great year ahead.
On the occasion of Leelaka's birthday, சித்தி கொஞ்சம் மெமரிஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணு.
நான் கல்யாணம் ஆகி கற்கிக்கு போனேன். பெரிய ஜாயிண்ட் ஃபேமிலி. எல்லார்ட்டையும் எப்படி பழகிறது, என்ன பேசுறதுன்னு நான் கொஞ்சம் பயந்துட்டு இருந்தேன். பட் அதே டயத்தில் லீலா வந்து எனக்கு எல்லாரை பற்றியும் சொன்னான். அது கேட்டோடனே எனக்கு ரொம்ப சௌரியமாச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம்
சித்தி அவ ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் அப்படி சொல்லி.
அவ வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவா. கற்கியில் போகும்போது நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன். மன்னிக்கு ரொம்ப எல்லா கிச்சன் வேலைக்குன்னா ஓடி வந்து பண்ணுவேன். அப்புறம் அடுத்த நாள் காத்தாடிக்கு மன்னிக்கு ரொம்ப சௌகரியமாக இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு மேடை மேலே எல்லாம் பருப்புலேருந்து எல்லாம் எடுத்து சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்காக எடுத்து வச்சுடுவேன் இங்கேருந்து. அது மாத்திரம் இல்லை, எனக்கு இன்னொன்று சொன்னான். நான் விஜயா பிறக்கும்போது புனாக்கு போனேன். புனாக்கு வந்தேன். மட்டும் மனசுக்குள்ளே கவலையாக இருந்தது. ஜோதி விட்டுட்டு வருவேன், இப்போ தான் ஸ்கூலில் சேர்ந்துருக்காங்க, யார் பார்த்துப்பான்னு இருந்தது. பட் அதே டயத்தில் லீலா பாம்பேக்கு வந்துட்டா. பாம்பேக்கு வந்து ஜோதி இல்லை, எல்லா குழந்தைகளையும் பார்த்துட்டு விசால் மணிக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணா. எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன். எனக்கு ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருந்தது.
ஆமாம் சித்தி, சித்தப்பாவும் சொல்லுவாள் எப்போவுமே, லீலானா ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல். அவள்கிட்ட என்ன சொன்னாலும் அவள் பண்ணுவாள், சிரிச்சுண்டு பண்ணுவாள். இன்னைக்கு சித்தப்பா இருந்தால் என்ன ஹாப்பியாக இருந்திருப்பா லீலாக்கா விஷ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. சித்தி, லீலாக்காட கல்யாணம் சித்தப்பா தானே எப்படியோ ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண, அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லு.
இப்போ கக்கியில் அண்ணா லீலாவுக்கு பையன் தேட ஆரம்பித்தா. அந்த டயத்தில் சித்தப்பா ஒரு நாளைக்கு சீக்கிரம் ஆஃபீஸ்லேருந்து சீக்கிரம் வந்தா. வரும்போதே ஓல்டாஸ்லேருந்து என்னோட கலீகை கூட்டின்னு வந்தா. அப்புறம் எங்கிட்ட கிச்சனில் வந்து சொன்னால், நல்லா பார்த்து வச்சுக்கோ, இந்த பையன் தான் நம்ம லீலாவுக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா. எனக்கு பார்த்த உடனே பிடிச்சி போயிடுது. கல்யாணம் ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆகுது. அப்போ மேரேஜ் ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆச்சு. சித்தப்பா எப்படி லீலாவுக்கு நல்ல பையனை கொண்டு வந்தாலோ அதே மாதிரி நம்ம ஜோதியோட கல்யாணம் போது லீலா நல்ல பையனா எனக்கு நல்ல மாப்பிள்ளை கொடுத்தா. இதை நான் மறக்கவே மாட்டேன்.
Leelaka's nature, so systematic, so organized. There is endless. Over the years we have seen Leelaka attending, or I should say gracing all the family functions. What I would like to say is that Attimber has been really supportive of Leelaka. He has given her the freedom to go wherever she wants, to attend all the functions. He would take care of the children. Leelaka has brought up the children so well. Rajesh, exemplary. Similarly, Rupa, exuberant. Really love the two children, the way Leelaka has brought them up. Leelaka, you have been a source of inspiration to me and to all of us in the ESJ family. We all love you to bits and look forward to all your forwards in the ESJ group and all the comments. Leelaka, wishing you all the happiness today and forever. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leelaka. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Leela Perima.
ஹாய் லீலா, எப்படி இருக்க? ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. நீயும் உங்கள் ஆத்துக்காரும் 100 வருஷம் ஹாப்பியாக அண்ட் ஹெல்த்தியாக இருக்கணும். ஓகே லீலா, பாய்.
Happy birthday, Leela Party. Yeah, I hope you have a great time.
Happy birthday, Leela Party. I wish we were here together. I love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Auntie. May you have many more years of good health and happiness.
ஹலோ, எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்கள் பர்த்டேன்னு. நான் என்ன சொல்ல போகிறேன், உங்களது டைமண்ட் ஜூப்ளி, நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பு கோல்டன் ஜூப்ளி. இதே மாதிரி கடைசி வரல நல்லதுக்கும் நீங்கள் இருந்திருக்கீங்க, கெட்டதுக்கும் இருந்திருக்கீங்க. ஐ எம் வெரி கிரேட்ஃபுல் டு யூ. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே டு யூ மை டியர் லவ்லி.
Happy birthday. Right.
Happy birthday, Leela Mami. I hope you enjoy your milestone. It's been very, very long since we met or spoke. Hopefully next time when I come to Hyderabad, now I should be able to meet you. Now we share a very interesting and fond set of memories and history, and now every time I'm sure when I meet you I will remember Amma a lot. But enjoy your day, and I hope it's fun and it's special.
Hi Auntie, I wish you very happy birthday. May God bless you with abundant peace, happiness and long life. I remember the days I was in Hyderabad. I used to love your Palakkad food. your Palakkad Tamil too. Hope those days are again, if it is repeated, I would enjoy it. Have a wonderful life. Hariharan sir, you are also very lucky to have this wonderful lady. Have a very blessed life. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Auntie, happy 75th birthday. Hoping many more birthdays to celebrate in the future. You're like a mother to me and you've always treated me like your son. Thanks for everything. Enjoy your day.
Hi Amma, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm so blessed to have you in my life and I love you so much. You and I have had so many wonderful memories, and today I want to remind you of one particular memory that is very special to me, and let me see if you remember it. So I must have been around 5 or 6 years old when you came to school to pick me up, and it was a surprise. You took me out to lunch, you took me to Taj Mahal Hotel, and from there you took me out to watch Jurassic Park movie, and I was so thrilled. I mean, I've gotten many surprises in life, but this is one of the most special ones, considering I was such a small kid and it meant so much to, get a surprise, being picked up from school, and it is so you to do something like that. So this is one of the most beautiful memories I have, and I hope you remember that. So happy birthday once again, and thank you so much for being the wonderful person that you are. I hope you stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe, and I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pati. I hope you're having a great day and are finding a way to celebrate. I have so many memories of you from my childhood, you taking care of me, to coming to visit you in India and eating at some of our favorite restaurants. These are all memories that I really cherish, and I wish I could be celebrating with you today, but since I can't, I just wanted to say happy birthday and I love you.
Hey Leelaka, you have always been that super akka for all of us. I remember those flying visits which you used to make while you were at Hyderabad. But the best part is you always ensured that you met everyone. Might be for half an hour, might be for 1 hour, but you never ever left anyone. And I really cherish those memories which we had last year during this Sadabhishegam and during my visits to Hyderabad. So hey, here is all of us wishing you a very happy birthday!
Hi mommy, happy birthday. I was told that today's your birthday. Hope you're having a great day. And I was just thinking, it's too bad with the COVID-19. Otherwise, we'd actually be there in person to celebrate with you in Cincinnati, perhaps. So happy birthday again. And I hope you can come back again, and then we can do the wine tasting like we did before. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Leelaka. Many happy returns for your 75th birthday. Can't believe you're 75 and I'm 60. Where have all the young days gone? Still remember the wonderful times. 37 Hanbury Road, Malimbai cooking chapati, your sabji, and Peripa's coffee first thing in the morning. Radha listening to Radio Ceylon and Binaka Geetmala. My memory of you and Athimber is the wonderful trip Anna and I did to Hyderabad. We went to the museum, spent time with you and Athimber in West Maradpalli. Not to forget the 8 punctures we had in that ambassador car on the way to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Stay well, and Deepa would like to also greet you.
Happy birthday, Leelaka. You look younger by the day. And what a fantastic cook you are. And I always remember your smiling face, and always you have a smile every time we have met. It's been a pleasure, and look forward to more happy times together. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leelaka. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Leela Mami.
Happy birthday, Leela Chitti. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more. Happy 75th birthday from all of us. Have a good day.
உல்லாசமா சந்தோஷமா நூறாண்டு நீ வாழம்மா உல்லாசமா சந்தோஷமா நூறாண்டு நீ வாழம்மா பூவோடு பொட்டோடு காஞ்சிபுரம் பூவோடு பொட்டோடு காஞ்சிபுரம் பட்டோடு ஆனந்தமா Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. சொந்தங்கள் நூறுண்டு உன் வாழ்விலே தெய்வங்கள் துணையுண்டு எப்போதுமே சொந்தங்கள் நூறுண்டு உன் வாழ்விலே தெய்வங்கள் துணையுண்டு எப்போதுமே வழி வழியாய் வந்த செல்வங்களும் வழி வழியாய் வந்த செல்வங்களும் வாழ்த்துக்கள் பாடிடும் உனக்காகவே வாழ்த்துக்கள் பாடிடும் உனக்காகவே Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. பூவோடு பொட்டோடு காஞ்சிபுரம் பட்டோடு ஆனந்தமா ஹரி 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 ஹரனோ ஹரி 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 ஹரனோ ஆயிரம் சந்திரன் கண்டவனோ ஆயிரம் சந்திரன் கண்டவனோ பக்கத்திலே பக்கபலமா பக்கத்திலே பக்கபலமா வாழ்க்கை வாழ்க நீ நலமா வாழ்க்கை வாழ்க நீ நலமா பூவோடு பொட்டோடு காஞ்சிபுரம் பட்டோடு ஆனந்தமா பூவோடு பொட்டோடு காஞ்சிபுரம் பட்டோடு ஆனந்தமா Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. உல்லாசமா சந்தோஷமா நூறாண்டு நீ வாழம்மா உல்லாசமா சந்தோஷமா நூறாண்டு நீ வாழம்மா ஓம் சாந்தி. God bless you, all the best.
Happy birthday, Chitti. I just wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and hopefully we'll get to see you sometime this year. Wait, Appa also wants to wish you. Hold on.
நான் என்னோட மூஞ்சி தான் தெரியாது
வீடியோ பண்றேன்ப்பா பேசு and then வீடியோ அனுப்புறேன். just a wish பண்ணு.
Leela, come to this place to see us. Have a nice birthday.
Okay. All right, Chitti. That was so much for our recording. Wish you, love you, hug you. Vango, and then we'll see you. Once all this gets over, and when you come, we'll see you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. We love you. We love you.
Love you. ஹலோ, நான் மன்னி பேசுகிறேன். ஹலோ, அஞ்சு உனக்கு பர்த்டேன்னு சொன்னேன். என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம் உனக்கு என்ன, நல்லபடியாக எல்லோரும் நன்னா இருங்கோ. அதுதான் என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம்.
Hi Chitti, Raji பேசுகிறேன். I know it's going to be a surprise for you. Anyway, wish you many more happy returns and a very healthy happy returns, I should say. Okay? I still remember the days that we used to spend in Kauntambalayam, Chitti. I don't know whether you remember it or not, but I remember we all playing cards together and things like that. Okay? Have a very wonderful birthday and you be safe, and we're all doing fine, Chitti. Nanna irungo, be happy, healthy, happy returns of the day.
And my prayers and my pranams are with you. Bless me and my children. Thank you, Chiti. Okay? Talk to you soon.
Happy birthday, Attai.
Happy birthday, Attai.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
नमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वं च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं सर्वदा मुदं सर्वदा मुदम् Happy 75th birthday, Leela Mami. God bless you with peace, good health, and loads of happiness. Have a nice day.
First one. Say.
Happy birthday party.
Happy
Happy birthday, Leela Perima.
Happy birthday party.
We wish you a very happy 75th birthday. And we miss your pickles. So that's my fondest memory of you.
Hi Attai. Okay, where do I begin when I talk about Leela Attai? My earliest memories of Attai was as a child when she used to come to Bombay either for a family a wedding or a get together. And then Reshu moved to Hyderabad, and that's when we got to spend some real quality time with Attai. You go to Attai's house and you know there's going to be a lavish spread for you and exactly what you like. So whether it is rasam, rice and papad for me, Badu Shahi for Reshu, or on the newest front, Mulga Podi for Kiara. So Attai knows everyone's likes and dislikes perfectly well, and that is what you will get. Attai for me is like my mom. Like I can cuddle her and I feel the same love that I would feel when I hug my mother. She is also one of the most caring and most giving persons I have ever known. Like you meet Leela Attai and you know you're going to be showered with 1,000 gifts. So Attai, here's to you. I love you really, really, really much. You are my Attai number one. Stay blessed, live long, live strong. Happy 75th birthday.
बार बार ये दिल आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, यही है मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Leela Mai, happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very happy birthday, many many happy returns of the day. Have tons of fun. Stay healthy, enjoy life, take care.
Hi Attai, just to wish you a happy 75th. We wish we were there. Actually, we were just saying that if everything was okay, we would have probably hopped over for a couple days just to celebrate your birthday. But nevertheless, I just wanted to thank you for everything you've ever done and just generally for being there. I mean, you've always treated me as your own. I mean, I've never felt out of place whenever you were around, wherever we were, whether I was at your place or whether even when we went to the US. I mean, it was just you made me feel so comfortable everywhere. I just wish I'd gotten to know you, before I actually did. I mean, I got to know you very late in life as such, I mean, before that, after Shanta Attai, I mean, you've kind of been a second mom to me always. And I mean, right now I miss you. I mean, I really miss the times that we spent together in Hyderabad. And I miss your cheerful teenage laughter and your enthusiasm to do things. And I really wish, we were again in the same city together. So on Dad's behalf also, I'm sure he would have also been, he was really fond of you. And if he was here, he would have made sure that he was there for your birthday this year. But nevertheless, have a good day. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Amma, and many, many happy returns of the day. Actually, I wish you and Appa were here for your 75th birthday. I just hope, we can come to India soon, or you can visit us soon, and we can celebrate your 75th birthday all over again. People tell, what, Amma, that I am so generous, I am so independent, I'm such a strong woman, and I have only one person to thank, and that is you. Thank you for making me who I am. Thank you, Amma, for everything you have done for me. I know you hate the word thanks, but eppa cholladane venam, how grateful and thankful I am that, you have done so much for me, Ma. I love you, and I want to see you soon. I really, really miss you. Love you, Ma.
Hi Prima, happy Diamond Jubilee birthday. I love you so much. Probably the one thing I treasure about you is you have been there with me for every milestone in my life. The birth of my children, my own birth, and every birthday of mine probably, and my wedding, the birth of my children. Ella kariyathukum Perima enkuda irundirukka. I cannot imagine a life without her presence. This COVID period lockdown was the longest we've gone without seeing each other. I just love you, Perima. Your presence means a whole lot to me. I just love you so much. Wishing you very happy birthday, good health always, and I will always be there by your side.
Hi Auntie, happy 75th birthday. Hope you have a lovely, lovely day and a wonderful year. I still remember the first time when I came to Hyderabad and you took me to see Praveen and the jewelry shop, and the day we had and the afternoon we had when we went and ate at Beltaj afterwards. Always look forward to seeing you when I come to Hyderabad. Hope to see you again soon and enjoy your birthday with you.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Sending you lots and lots of love and good wishes. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, we all miss you.
Hi Mommy, good morning. Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. May God bless you with all the finest things in life. Wishing you peace, prosperity, good health, and loads of happiness. You've always been a wonderful human being, loving and caring, and keeping in touch always and bonding all of us together. Thank you for that. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
Hello Auntie. Wish you many happiness of the day. The first thing anybody remembers when we hear your name, Leela Auntie, is your helpful nature. I mean, if somebody asks you for a help, or even if you think that you can help them, then even that person may forget that it requires that help, but you will never forget till the task is accomplished. So that's really appreciated, Auntie, and I think you have touched many lives by helping them in every way possible to you. Especially, I can remember a small incident when my friends from Pune came down to Hyderabad for a conference. They had to stay here for a week. And the way you helped them, in finding the accommodation, you found a whole new flat for them in your apartment. You arranged so many things for them, including food, their stay. Even today, when my friends call me up, they ask me, how is Leela Auntie? It's been about 15 years since this incident has happened, and they remember you for your hospitality and for your love you showed to them. That is the best part about you, Auntie. That's the reason you're loved by all of us. We all love you. Many happy returns of the day once again.
Hi Leelaka, wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. We have so many memories together, right from our Secunderabad days, and the most recent though, which I have very, very fond memories of is your visit to the Bay Area, where we could spend time just one-on-one with each other, and love that time that we spent together. Thank you for being you. Bye.
Happy birthday, mommy. It's your platinum birthday, and we wish you all the very best, good health, happiness. I always remember you to be a very loving and caring person. That is etched in my memory, and I'm sure the people who are associated with you will also be having the same thought about you. Wish you good luck, mommy. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Leela Mami. I wish you all the good health, happiness. I hope you're all taking care of yourself. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Perima.
Hi, Prima. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Lots of love from all of us. Wish you a 75th birthday, and we all are missing you. We wish we could have been in Hyderabad, but I think after all this lockdowns and everything is clear, we all will be there to meet you. Wish you a very good health. Sid, say something.
Hope this video reaches you in the best of your spirits.
Yeah, we love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You are blessed with dear friends, relatives, a very affectionate and nice daughter, an extremely intelligent and dutiful son, and pretty grandchildren. We too join them in wishing you a very happy birthday and pray you should celebrate many more birthdays. My love and regards to our ever charming Haryana. With love, Shankar, Sulu, and Savita to our favorite Periyamma.
Hi Auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday, 75th birthday, and I hope you have an amazing day and a wonderful year. And it just, time flies by so fast, and just feels like yesterday Rupa and I used to come home and then used to make all the yummy food for us after we came back from college. But the one thing that you all, you made for us, which I loved the most, were the Chinese noodles. And trust me, Auntie, I've tried it in so many different ways, but could never get that taste. And it never tasted like yours. For that would be my most, best noodles I've ever had. And I wish you all the best, and you stay safe and have a wonderful year, and a big hug from me.
Hello Perima, hope you and Peripa are doing fine. Good to know that you are reaching your 75th birthday on June 4th. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Need your blessings and wishes.
Happy birthday, Periyamma.
Happy birthday, Perima. Extremely happy to be a part of this wonderful surprise video by Rupaka. You and Peripa have been a great inspiration for us. Our namaskarams to you both. Wishing you many more happy birthdays with good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wishing you all the very best, good health, happiness, and peace. Where do I start talking about all the wonderful times we've had together? By far, the times that we spent together in Maradpalli are one of the most cherished memories in my life. All of those afternoon tiffins and sleepovers and games nights and all of the yummy food that you used to cook for us. Thank you so much for all those special moments, and you had a way of making me feel so special always, Mommy. All the very best. Thanks.
Auntie Vanakkam, it feels really nice to be a part of this surprise, and many happy returns of the day. May God give you lots of health, happiness, strong knees. You are one of the special people who have a very big heart. You seem to have the space for so many people. You shower your love and blessings to so many people and touch their life. It's really wonderful knowing you. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful, healthy, happy year ahead.
Hi Party, happy birthday.
Hi Perima, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. I wish you would have been in the US. You would have spent time with Rupaka, Rajesh Anna and the family. I have loads of memories of you, cooking for us, doing so many things for us. So when I say happy birthday, it comes from the bottom of my heart. I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Leela Mommy. Many happy returns of the day, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Wish you a very happy, prosperous, long life. I have seen a motherly affection in Leela Mommy. A small 2-line song for Leela Mommy on behalf of her birthday. அம்மாவில் அழைக்காத உயிரில்லையே, அம்மாவை வணங்காத உயரில்லையே, அம்மா என் அழைக்காத உயிரில்லையே, அம்மாவை வணங்காத உயரில்லையே, என் பேசும் தெய்வம் பெற்ற தாய் என்று வேறொன்று ஏது, அம்மா என் அழைக்காத உயிரில்லையே, அம்மாவை வணங்காத உயரில்லையே. Thank you, Mommy, for giving the opportunity. Thank you, Rupa.
Hi, Leela, teenage girl with 57 years experience. Our very best wishes to you.
Hi Leela, a very happy 75th birthday to you. We remember you for your good times and bad times you've been with us. Have a great day and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leelaka. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May good luck be with you and happiness to you. Happy birthday, Leelaka. How are you? Wow, so nice. 75 years. Whenever I think of you, Leelaka, I can always remember your smiling face. You always attract everyone with your smile. I remember my fond memories as a child. We used to meet after you got married and you were staying in the Chembur house. So on and off, we used to meet you and have a nice time. Later on, many years later, when I started to travel to Hyderabad for work, I have come over to you and spent a very good time with you in your house at Hyderabad. Also recently, when we attended Atimber's birthday, we had a real great time where I could meet all our relatives after such a long time. It was really fun. Thank you so much. Leelaka, you are one person who has made it a point to attend every family function. Whether it rains, whether it's very hot, irrespective, you would always make it to every family function. I remember last year when I called you for Abhishek's Punal, you came all the way to Pune, even though your knees were really bad. And it just shows that how much of concern you have for the well-being of every family member. I'm so happy that I'm your sister. Thank you very much for everything that you've done. Keep smiling and pass on happiness as you always do to everyone around you. Lots and lots of love, Leelaka. Bye.
Hi Papa, happy birthday. I miss you a lot and I really hope that we can see each other soon. Many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hi Chiti.
Hi.
We'll miss your birthday, but just wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. And
Hi Chitti, happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
we'll miss you, Chitti. Hope we could have been there. With this travel restrictions, cannot be there, but hope so. We'll meet soon. Take care. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah,
Happy birthday again.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. I hope to see you all soon once your house arrest has officially ended. Bye.
Happy birthday, Leela Mummy. On the occasion of your 75th birthday, I would wish you the best of health and happiness. I've always known you as a very calm and composed person, and I'm in awe of you as to how you are just the same person even today. Wish you all the best and have an enjoyable day and year ahead.
Hello, Leelaka. A very, very happy birthday from Sriram, Sharanya and myself. We are so proud of everything that you do for the family. I mean, you're one person who's always been there for everything that has been happening in the family. And one big, big thanks I have to tell you is, thanks to you, I have two amazing cousins. I mean, I know they're not my cousins, but then I always grown up thinking they're my cousins, Rajesh and Rupa. And Rupa is such a firebrand. Oh my God, I love my interactions with her. And now in this COVID kind of a situation, lockdown and everything, the things she does to keep us all entertained is so amazing. Love her and love you for giving us such amazing people in our lives. You take care, Leelaka. Stay safe, stay protected, and be happy with Atimber always, and be around to bless us. And your wishes are very, very important to us, and we cherish the moments that we get to spend with you. Hopefully when all this is over, we will come and spend some time with you, or you come here to Dubai, better still.
Hi Leelaka, many happy returns of the day. 75th birthday ங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய number. Wonderful, stay safe, stay healthy and seek your blessings always.